Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Dezi Skin Claro Que C Vitamin C Glow Serum. This is skincare, so this is just an unboxing video. It's not really a review. Just got this in the mail and I wanted to unbox it here and try it on for the first time here with you guys and just let you guys know my thoughts. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a towel on my head, is because I just took a shower. It's nighttime and I'm about to do my nighttime skincare. So I wanted to just use the serum and incorporate it in my nighttime skincare routine. So I did already apply toner. That's the first thing that I apply after I take a shower. And then after toner, I normally apply serum and then I go in with moisturizer. And I did wash my hair, so I just wrap it up in a towel and then I go to sleep with the towel, and in the morning, that's whenever I style my hair. Before we get started, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sylvia. I do cruelty-free videos, hauls, lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when I upload every week. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it. It just comes in a regular shipping box like this. And I would say it took about a week for me to get the serum. All right, so this is the box. It says Dezi right there. And then it has the shipping slip and then it comes with paper and the package, which I like that because it's not plastic. It looks like it's wrapped up in this paper. And here it is, you guys. Okay, I'll go ahead and do a close-up of it, but this is pretty much the box. So it's actually kind of heavy. It feels like a paper and it's the same colors as the box, like neutral colors with the black letters. It says Dezi in the front and you get 1 fluid ounces. For some reason I thought it was gonna be more fluid ounces because it does feel pretty heavy, and it's $64. So I do think it is more on the high end in skincare. So there's a lot of information here on the back of the package. So the ingredients are listed on the package, which is really good because sometimes some brands don't even list the ingredients on their packaging. You have to look at the ingredients online, so that's really good. But it also says Dezi right here. Desperate to put something on my skin right now. It says never tested on animals, and there's like a little picture right there of a little chicken, so that's super cute. So let's open this up and take it out. Ooh, it feels really nice. It's a glass bottle. Wow, this is like heavy. I don't know, I'm pretty lazy though. I feel like it's so heavy. Every time I pick it up, I'm gonna be like working out my arms. Like that's like how heavy it feels. But it does feel really nice. It's not like smooth. It does have like kind of like this texture, like a little bit like paper texture. The cap, it seems to be plastic. So that's the cap. It does come with a pump. I love these colors. This will look really nice in the bathroom. Okay, so it says that it's made in the USA, and let me go ahead and read what it says right here on the back. It says that it has 15% pure vitamin C. Potent forms of vitamin C are infused into the water and oil phases of the serum, allowing skin absorption on 2 levels: the water-loving and oil-loving parts of the skin. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps fight the effect of free radicals and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, we like that. It also helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and uneven tone to give the skin a more youthful glow. Yes, we like that. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry face. Use morning before sunscreen or evening after cleansing. Shake well before use. Cruelty-free, fragrance-free, vegan, and gluten-free. So that's another reason why I wanted to try out the serum, because I did see that I was also vegan. And you guys know I love to try not just cruelty-free products here, but also vegan. It's fragrance-free, which is really good. When I talked about the Fenty Skin, I wished that it was fragrance-free, but it's not. If you haven't seen my Fenty Skin video, it's on my channel. I will link it up here if you guys want to check it out. And I think all skincare should be fragrance free, and it's also paraben free and triclosan free. Induces skin brightening, reduces the appearance of skin redness, and improves overall skin tone and evenness. Stimulates the expression of CVCTI, the vitamin C transporter of the skin. Okay, there's like some technical shit up in this skincare. I've never heard any of this before in skincare. So it's like really interesting that they got very technical with this and with the ingredients, which means that they really put a lot of thought into the formula. It says that it also has Dezi youth juice, which has like natural ingredients such as Mexican plum fruit, dragon fruit, mango, and there's more ingredients. So I actually am getting some sunspots right here, and they kind of look like freckles. I do have some acne scars right here from some breakouts that I had before. I do have a little bit of redness. I do have some large pores. I love using vitamin C in my skincare. One of my favorite vitamin C serums is from Holy Henriksen. It's the Truth Serum. I haven't really ventured out and like trying out any other vitamin C serums, so it's been a while since I've tried out a new vitamin C serum, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. Put it on already, so I am. All right, so it says to shake the bottle. Yeah, I don't hear anything. Do a pump. That is one pump. I'm gonna do another pump. That came out very easily. I didn't have to press the pump too many times for like the product to come out. It looks white. Yeah, it doesn't smell. It doesn't have any scent. So I'm just gonna grab some and like apply, and then yeah, it doesn't have any scent. It feels very hydrating and wet, kind of become transparent once you like spread it around, and it actually feels a little cooling, like very nice. And my skin was so dry. Before I applied this, my skin felt super dry. I do have oily skin, but after I get out the shower and I clean my face, it feels very dry, and I do have to apply something on the skin to bring hydration back to my skin. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but my skin looked very dry before applying. So this is spreading out very nicely, and it does feel like a serum, but it also feels like a gel moisturizer too, because it's like moisturizing the skin at the same time. But I do kind of feel like it's sinking into the skin. So it does feel like it's drying down, and it actually feels a little sticky. But I feel like I need just a little bit more, like in this area. It still feels kind of dry, so I'm gonna do another pump. So it does give me a little bit of a glow, and my skin does feel hydrated. I do still feel like I need moisturizer on top of the serum, but this is a serum, it's not a moisturizer. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the next step, and I've been using this moisturizer at night. This is the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide cream, and it actually has kind of like the same texture as the Dezi Skin. It's kind of white but clear at the same time. It gets clear, and it's a little thicker than the Claro Que C serum. A little goes a long way with this. Actually really liking this moisturizer because it feels very hydrating, super hydrating. But this definitely leaves my skin a lot more hydrated and a lot more glowy. So now after applying my moisturizer, I feel like my skin feels pretty good. So after this, I'm just gonna go and apply my eye cream and then go to bed. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it was helpful. I am gonna just keep track of my skin just to see how it does with like my sunspots that are right here and my dark spots that I have here from some breakouts. I'm just gonna keep track of those things, and hopefully I can come back here in several weeks to give you guys an update on the Claro Que C serum from Dezi Skin.